Hello everybody. I am welcoming you to my class, and this is the recording for AP Language, AP English Language and Composition to be specific. And I just want to give you a little bit of background information about me and also about the course. This is a picture of my husband and I when we were traveling to Washington, D.C. a couple of years ago. And you can see me in the webcam in the bottom corner. Okay, let's go to the next slide. See if I can make it go to the next slide. It's always interesting. All right, here we go. Here's who I am a little bit. I've taught in Henry County for 18 years. I actually taught a couple more years in a couple of other counties before that. But here we are, 18 years in Henry County. I've been married for 32 years. I have a wonderful cat named Luna, and when you come to my webinars, you may see her. She may parade in front of the webcam occasionally, and it's always good for a smile and a laugh. My hobbies are basically reading and traveling. I do like to write. So I am actually working, one of my goals this year is to hopefully write some journal articles and get them published. So I'm going to be writing along right with you and growing my skills at the same time you're growing your skills. This is just a cute slide, my way of saying, yes, is this course hard? Of course it's hard. It's a college level course. You're taking it in high school and you're going to be challenged. That's good. What I'm going to help you with is rising to that challenge, and hopefully you will be able to grow, strengthen your skills, and if there are any weaknesses, we will make sure that you're supported and that you learn how to overcome those weaknesses in your writing and in your reading. Okay, take notes, take notes, take notes. Obviously, that's the name of the game. I highly recommend that you keep a separate notebook for this class, and if possible, if you could take handwritten notes, that's going to get the information in your brain a lot quicker, a lot more secure. However, if you are a person who can take consistently efficient notes online, I welcome you to do that too. So it is your choice. However, there's no choice between taking notes or not taking notes. You have to take notes on everything. And when I say take notes, yes, you take notes on videos. You take notes on lectures that you're working in with me possibly, or a webinar with me. You take notes on your reading assignments. You annotate them. And I will at times be giving you specific graphic organizers and hints at how to do this. So stay tuned for that. All right, here's some quick information for me. Email through the SIS system, and that is your Edgenuity system. That's the best way. If you need to, you can use my school email, but I would prefer it going through SIS. At times we may need to use the school one, so I understand. Best way to contact me, the fastest way to contact me is to use my Google Voice. There's the number, 678-632-5392. All right. We are definitely using Google Classroom in this class. You may be asked at times to use Turnitin, and we will be manipulating through that. Some of you may already be familiar with Turnitin from your schools that you already attend. So yes, we will. If we have that capability, we will definitely utilize it as well. Yes, and it says stay tuned for further instructions on that. All right, your assignment right now is just in Edgenuity, you're going to write a short paragraph, introduce yourself. You may want to answer these questions. I don't have a place for it in Google Classroom, so that's no longer applicable. So just ignore that. Just answer the questions in Google Classroom. You can copy and paste if you need to, or you can write on a Google Doc and then copy and paste it into Edgenuity, which is actually the best way to go. All right. Work steady, and that means consistently. Day one, get started. Look at your calendar. Make sure you're keeping up with what is specified for that day. Some days will be lighter. Some days will be harder. If you're one of those people and it's a light day, you may want to go ahead and work a little bit ahead. Because I can guarantee you once we get into those written essays and the writing assignments, it will be challenging to do it in one day, and you may have to do rewrites, which means it's going to take longer than what the calendar says. So keep that in mind. Work free. In other words, you have your choice in this class of when to work. You could work at 8 o'clock at night. You could work at midnight. You could work at 6 o'clock in the morning. Your choice. Work hard. Do the hard work. Do the learning, because learning is always a stretch. It should not be easy. So if you do run into roadblocks or moments when you have some questions, reach out to me. That's what I'm here for, is to help and assist you. And then finish well. Of course, we are all working for that final outcome of that AP English Language and Composition test that will happen in May. So hopefully you will feel like you have learned enough and secured enough knowledge and skills that you can do very well on that test. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me. I look forward to working with you this year. Goodbye for now.